How to resend emails to non-openers in Instantly.ai. Resending emails to non-openers in Instantly.ai is a great way to get a second chance at engagement without annoying the people who already saw your message. To do this, open your campaign dashboard, filter your leads by did not open, and create a new follow-up or clone the original email with a slightly different subject line. Changing up the subject is the key because of the first one didn't catch attention. A fresh angle might do the trick, something shorter, more personal, or curiosity driven. Instantly, that AI will then send your message only to those who never opened the first email, giving you more visibility without spamming your entire list. Just make sure not to send immediately. Waiting at least 3 to 5 days feels natural and avoids overwhelming prospects. So that's it.